Jumping. Jump higher. Jump higher. Let's see how Ponyo's doing. Wow, Ponyo's going really high. You want to try doing a flip? You're barely even touching the ground. Keep jumping. Come on. It's fun. Look, she's getting higher. Look at how high. She's almost all the way up at the top. Boing, boing, boing. Look at this girl, like taking off. Here's Audrey again. You're not going as high, Audrey. What's going on? Push off. There you go. Bounce. Good. Boing. There you go. Now you're jumping. You want to stop? Ponyo's going. She's having lots of fun. Look at how high Ponyo's going. Come on, let's see you get a big jump, Audrey. Big jump. Big jump. Bigger jump. Yeah, if you have to let go and wipe off your hands, you can. You're not gonna like fall or anything. Let's see who can jump higher. I think Ponyo's gonna jump higher. Oh, there goes Audrey. She can almost see on the second floor now. That's crazy. Alrighty. That's so much fun. I wish I could do this. I'm $1 short for being able to do it myself. Oh well.